Hello Taurus, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your money career reading for July. Just give me a second. Yeah. Thank you. Mercury is in retrograde right now, and be very careful with your money contracts, money transactions, and other legal documents. So till 13th July. Now, once it moves forward, you can get a clearer picture of things. So with this, let's see what the cards have in store for you. So this is the Three of Rods, Two of Swords, the Tower, Knight of Rods, Four of Swords, Page of Rods. Now let's see. This Three of Rods, it is talking about, waiting for a news, an opportunity, a job situation that wherein you have appeared for an interview and you are waiting to hear from them, for some of you, or for some of you, waiting for a deal. I mean, maybe you are into some partnership and you have put on a deal, so you are waiting for the deal to happen or hear about the deal to how it is gone. So but this shows that you are in a position of strength, Taurus. The deal is like it is going to come. Usually it's a positive waiting card. Also it talks about certain expansion. So you could expand the idea or the business that you maybe just started in June, or a little, you want to expand that. It talks about expansion, or you are looking into other areas also, different aspects or other areas regarding job or money situation. This card also tells about that. Two of Swords. There are times when you are confused, when you do not know what to do. You have been, balancing, trying to balance your situation, sometimes emotionally, and sometimes it's like you do not know that what to do next. So you feel stuck. You don't feel that things are moving forward according to your you are expecting things to move at a certain speed, but it isn't moving. So Taurus, just see that it's a retrograde time. Have patience, go slow. Actually sometimes the delay is in your favor, so don't be impatient. Just things will get clearer once this retrograde move goes away. Also that with time things and you doing more research on that certain thing, getting more information will help you getting a clearer picture. So also with this moon here, there are certain uncertainties, still speaking about certain uncertainties. So things are not as you see right now. Maybe there are certain things which are still hidden, so be careful, go slow, try to get all the information. Again, that is what I can say from this card. The Tower card. See, I know that you are starting from zero again, Taurus. Most of you are starting from zero or a new situation. You are starting, So the Tower card, like things which did not work for you has fallen apart. The changes have come in, and you have worked, you have started working. So this Tower card, I think it's talking about that, suddenly you have seen things falling apart with you, no time to prepare for yourself. So this is gets into your mind, these thoughts, and sometimes it just shakes your confidence. But I tell you, have patience, and things will work out, because you have seen this situation already. Around from March onwards, job losses, money, pay cuts, business totally, the economy really going bad, has left a lot of us in a very poor state. I mean, both mental and financial position. So this is what you need to come out of this shock. Still sometimes it's there in your mind, so you need to just move away from these thoughts that you have previously gone through. Four of Swords. I think you also need some time to heal from your the Tower energy that you have. You are healing from your previous disappointments. There is a spiritual awakening. Maybe you are visiting temples. This talks about spiritual awakening too. So you are visiting temples, you are there is a spiritual awakening in you, and that is healing you. That is, sometimes you also introspect what has gone wrong, and how could you correct things. And so all this is about healing yourself. So for moving forward, you first need to heal, Taurus, from the previous disappointments, and that has left a sad state in your mind or heart. Page of Rods. See, towards the end of July, I feel there is a message or regarding a job or a business or a money situation positively coming to you, that you are receiving either some of you are receiving a job offer, some of you are receiving a message that so much amount you are getting a lump sum amount of money, or maybe you have done some investments previously that you could hear regarding that. Also it shows about that you also want to make yourself heard. With this page energy, it's a very initial energy that you want to make yourself heard to people around regarding your business, regarding your job. But there's definitely something coming in for you, Taurus, towards the last part of July. And you will see that some news of stability might also come. So this is it. I mean, there is some money coming for you, or maybe this deal has gone through, which was you were waiting for, and you are receiving something. The very initial, maybe you are not getting the whole lump sum, but you are getting something. And Knight of Rods, this again is like you are taking action further. It is like July and to August, you are in the action mode now. You are feeling better in the last part of July. And I know you have started from zero, Taurus. Most of us, no, but Taurus has really started from zero. And it talks about some wish fulfillment for I mean, it depends on your situation, whether job, money situation. Also, it's like you will have to do publicity, like you need to publicize yourself online. You could meet up with virtual meeting with your clients if it's a business or partnership can be done, or you could just travel. Some Taurians might change locations for business or job related. So there is a change of location for some of you. But just take all these decisions after the retrograde, I mean after 13th of July. So I feel, Taurus, it's a good month, July, and you are going to feel optimistic. You are presently you are in an independent energy, and you want to do a lot of things for yourself, but just go slow. And I'm just taking out one message from the universe, one card from the messages. This is Wheel of Fortune. So the Wheel of Fortune is like, do your action, take action towards, be focused, and your times are changing slowly. Of course, this doesn't happen overnight, but things are changing for the better for you, Taurus. You are looking for that stability, that because in your previous readings I have seen financial stability, that is what you are looking for. It is going to come to you slowly and steadily. So July, something very positive, maybe initial, but it is coming to you in job and business. So all the best, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.